We're gonna wipe all the water out.
Nice. Oh, it smells good too.
Smells good too.
Looks good. I'll save the best for last.
Save the best for last, right?
Yeah, this one wasn't bad. Nice. Now, how long before they're like
Dry.
dry?
Like 3 to 4 hours.
Okay. Oh my goodness. So much better.
So much better.
Oh my. This looks awesome.
It don't even look like the same room no more, does it?
No, it does not. No.
So I tell people all the time, we don't do carpet cleaning, we do carpet restoration. That's what this
I
is.
guess so. Because at first, the realtor thought, well, let's take all the carpet out and replace the carpet. And I told my son, I said, all you got to do is get a professional, you know, somebody with the heavy equipment to come in and do it.
Yeah. And I was the guy.
You were the guy.
All right, so getting ready to spray the rooms. And you want to spray it fine and evenly too. All right, so we spray the floor. What I'm getting ready to do now is scrub. Yeah, the welder told me let us sit for about 10 minutes.